Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If we're just meeting, my name is Carla McCall and I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're going to talk about your 2021 vision board, but more specifically, your digital vision board. So we're going to work on Canva, which is an app that you can use on your phone or on the computer, and we're going to build a digital vision board for the wallpaper on your cell phone. What better place to constantly see your vision board and keep your vision in the forefront of your mind than on your cell phone? Because think about it, we probably look at that more times a day than we look at anything else. The question of the day is, what is your 2021 vision? What are your goals? What are you striving and working towards? It's so very important to set your vision for the year. You can continue to change the vision board as things progress during the year, but keep it in a place that you can constantly see it and you know exactly what you're striving for. Because if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. You can reach your goals. So let's get started. But first, we must put on the glasses so I can see the screen. We're going to go to a program called Canva. Now you can use the free Canva app. You can also purchase and upgrade, but the free one should do just fine. I have an iPhone 10. So what I did is I went online and found the dimensions of the wallpaper for my phone. So you're going to sign into Canva. You're going to go over here to where it says create design right here. And you're going to put in your width and your height in pixels. So the width is going to be 1125 and the height is going to be 2436. And I'm going to create a new design. Looks just like your cell phone wallpaper or the size of your cell phone. Okay. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, all different things that you can utilize here. If you want to choose a template they already have, feel free to do that. You can pick any of these templates that fit that size. Now for me, I chose to set up my own color scheme. So I'm going to go to background and I'm going to choose gradients. I decided that I kind of like this pinky purpley kind of gradient here. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to drag it over here and it's going to add it to my screen. You can choose any of these backgrounds. There are also photos. So if you want to use stock photos from Canva, you can. If you have your own things that you want to add, then you go here to uploads and then you're going to say upload media. And when you upload media, you're going to say from your device or wherever else that you want to get that media from. So when you upload from your device, then basically it's going to bring up your drive. You can see right here, I've already created a lot of the stuff in mine and saved. So here's where I saved them. Okay. So once you do that, they'll show in your uploads. Here are all the uploads that I've put in here. So what I decided to do, I like this. And then I said, you know, I really, really like this beach theme, this beach picture that my husband took. And I decided that I wanted to set it as the background. Just said, as you saw, replace background. So once I dragged the picture over, I did right click, set as background. So this is the background of my wallpaper. So now I want to add things that mean something to me this year. So I'm going to add this right here is a little thing I created on Canva, and it basically just says family. So now I'm going to drag this down and take away the white borders because I didn't do that to start with. And I'm showing you that because a lot of times when you download your photos, it'll still have that. So I've created family, okay? And I'm going to curve it just a little bit. I'm also going to bring this one over, and this is where I say bless it forward 1,000 times. That is my hashtag that you'll see everywhere is bless it forward. This reminds me that my goal is to bless 1,000 lives this year. Whatever means something to you, you can create that. You can even handwrite things and take photos of them and email them to yourself or put them on your computer, however, and then upload them. So that's important to me, to bless 1,000 lives. So bless it forward 1,000 times this year. So I'm going to put that one on there too. Okay, here's a picture of my family from a trip that we had, and this is important to me. And then I'm going to get it the size I want, and I'm going to place it on my wallpaper. I love this saying right here. Your smile is your logo. Your personality is your business card. And the way you make others feel is your trademark. What is your why and when is your win? This one is one I love. It says, let's start the journey, because that's what we have to do. In order to get anywhere, in order to achieve anything, you must first get started. See, I'm just kind of creating a visual board here of different things. Here's one that's very special to me. If you've seen anything else on my channel this year, you know that I have been dealing with, I was diagnosed in 2020 with breast cancer. So this is my reminder that I'm a breast cancer warrior. It reminds me to pray for people and keep in mind all those that are going through the same thing I am. Put all your pictures on here, and now you're going to download it. So you click download, and it pops up, and you basically download it. So I've created this on my desktop. So I've now downloaded it, and if I click on that, you'll see it brings it up. My download right there, you can see it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to email that to myself. So I emailed it to myself. I pulled the email up on my phone. I saved it to my phone. I went into the settings and I went to wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper, and you can get it from your recents or your photos where you saved it. So you basically are going to save it to your phone. I added it. I told it to apply to both. And as you can see, there's my wallpaper. I also created it so that when you hit the lock button, that's what you see. If it will focus, that's what you see on the lock button on your phone. I created a blank page in the front. So I basically held my finger down and moved all the icons to the second page to create a clean front page with just my favorites down here that I have to use. So thank you very much for watching. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Have a happy, healthy day.